This is the WP Week podcast, powered by Profile Press and WP Job Openings. It's been another busy week in the WordPress world, with plenty of updates, discussions, and developments worth paying attention to. Profile Press lets you sell subscriptions, digital downloads, courses, and restrict content with Stripe and PayPal integrations. And WP Job Openings is the easiest way to set up a professional career page and start accepting applications in just minutes. Let's start with the talk of the town this week, and it's a big one. WordPress 7.0 is officially being delayed and will not be released during Contributor Day at WordCamp Asia 2026, as many had expected. In the core committer Slack channel, Matt Mullenweg proposed pausing the current release cycle and rolling things back to beta. The goal here is stability, especially as work continues on real-time collaboration and a brand new database table designed to support it. Matias Ventura also weighed in, saying that while WordPress 7.0 is in good shape overall, the team needs another 3 to 4 weeks to properly design and finalize that database solution. Right now, real-time collaboration has a pretty significant issue where it disables persistent post caches whenever the editor is opened, and this new table is being explored as a workaround. On top of that, Release Candidate 1 itself was delayed by 5 days. It introduced 2 features that weren't part of Beta 1, including a new AI connectors screen and a keyboard shortcut for the command palette. So clearly, a bit more time is needed to bring everything together cleanly. Moving on to broader WordPress news, the platform's market share has dipped to 42.5%. This is the first time since January 2022 that it has fallen below 43%. Competitors like Shopify, Wix, and Squarespace have each seen slight increases. Notable community figures such as Juice DeValk and Chris Lima have recently moved their sites away from WordPress, adding to the conversation around its direction. There's also an interesting proposal from Matt Mullenweg to rethink the WordPress admin's left-hand navigation. The idea is to better organize plugin-related menus into a clearer hierarchy, making them easier to access and potentially allowing users to pin or surface frequently used plugins for a smoother experience. Looking back at recent releases, John Blackburn shared a retrospective on WordPress 6.92, highlighting both the speed of the release and the challenges that came with it. Issues like missing commits, the need for a fast follow-up release in 6.93, and the complexity of backporting changes across older branches were all discussed, along with lessons learned for improving future processes. Meanwhile, WordPress 7.0 Release Candidate 2 is now available for testing, so if you're eager to explore what's coming, now's a great time to jump in. Nicholas Garofalo has also shared a strategy to boost WordCamp attendance by tapping into local creators, businesses, and influencers, aiming to expand awareness and bring more people into the community. On the community leadership front, the 2026 community team reps have been announced, with Juan Hernando joining continuing reps Pooja Derashri, Aditya Kane, and Kasirye Arthur. Gutenberg Times has also published a source of truth for WordPress 7.0, making it easier to track upcoming features and changes in one place. There's a call for testing around community-built AI connector plugins as well, with Lori Sarney inviting users to explore setup, connectivity, AI features, and error handling, and to share feedback. And if you're attending WordCamp Asia 2026, you'll have the opportunity to join the community photos and core teams during Contributor Day. In the AI space, version 0.6.0 has been released with improvements like image editing workflows, enhancements to the AI feature structure, and overall stability updates. The plugin has also officially dropped experiments from its name. On the learning side, a new training team cohort focused on block theme development is kicking off in mid-April, offering a structured 6 to 8 week program covering everything from theme architecture to AI-assisted workflows. Jonathan Bossinger highlighted WP Packages as a strong example of open source done right, offering a transparent, community-funded alternative to WPackagist. On the security front, the WordFence weekly report revealed 258 vulnerabilities across 212 plugins and 30 themes. A major vulnerability in the Smart Slider 3 plugin has affected over 800,000 sites, now patched but requiring immediate updates. There's also a broader web ecosystem concern, with a supply chain attack targeting Axios via a malicious NPM dependency, prompting developers to review and roll back affected versions. And over in the world of advertising, Google has rolled out its VO video generation model globally, allowing users to turn static images into short videos for YouTube ads. Shifting to community news, WordPress Studio now has a standalone CLI, making it easier to spin up local sites directly from the command line across Mac, Windows, and Linux. At WordCamp Asia 2026, there's a new edition called the WordCamp Creator Studio, giving attendees access to a fully equipped on-site recording space for podcasts, interviews, and more. The after-party schedule is also now live. The WP Community Collective has introduced an open-source contributor compensation standard, offering a 5-level pay framework to help establish fair and transparent compensation globally. Registration is also open for DE/Code 2026 by WP Engine, focusing on the intelligent web and how AI is shaping digital experiences. There are a number of product and ecosystem updates as well. OllyWP has rolled out a visual refresh and teased its upcoming AI capabilities. Fluent Forms has crossed 700,000 active installs, while Hosting.com has launched an AI-focused application and hosting platform powered by enterprise-grade infrastructure. Bridget Willard sparked an interesting discussion by asking whether people are still doing WordPressy things, and the response was a clear yes, with community members actively building, launching, and experimenting. SiteSkite is evolving into a full WebOps platform. Tutor LMS 4.0 Alpha is reimagining the learning experience. Also, updates from plugins like Infinite Uploads, Metabox, AIO, SureForms, Foodaka Pro, Mail Opt-in, and others continue to push the ecosystem forward. There were also some standout moments, like Joan Namunina receiving the Yoast Care Fund, and a viral LinkedIn post showing PatchStack rewarding a team member with stock options after getting a tattoo. On the research and strategy side, new reports from WP Engine and Conductor highlight how AI and unified workflows are reshaping publishing and marketing strategies. Finally, in new projects, there's a lot of innovation happening across the ecosystem. WP Playground Preview is a new Chrome extension by Ronak Ganatra that adds Try in Playground and Add to Playground list directly to the theme and plugin repository. Twenteg One is a modern, lightweight theme built for full site editing, offering flexible templates, starter sites, and thoughtful design controls. Promptless is a minimal theme by Brian Williams, designed to work seamlessly with the Promptless WP plugin. Lax Abilities Toolkit by Lax Mariapan enables sites to connect with any MCP-compatible AI client, exposing WordPress content as structured tools for AI. iValve by Per Sutherland gives users control over how AI is used within their site, including permissions and usage limits. Jitonomy introduces a fast, self-moderating discussion platform with its own dedicated database tables and trust-based moderation system. Power Coupons from the CartFlows team simplifies creating advanced WooCommerce discount rules and auto-applied coupons. Rankline WP, launching April 1, 2026, brings command line SEO to WordPress and AI agents, with over 70 CLI commands and integrations with popular SEO plugins. Jotform AI allows users to generate complete forms just by describing their needs, including logic and integrations. Ada AI Website Builder by One.com enables users to create full websites through simple chat interactions. Ask Yoast, an open-source project by Yoast DeValk, delivers direct, source-backed answers from his blog using AI. That wraps up this week's Roundup, packed with releases, milestones, new tools, and plenty of movement across the ecosystem. Thanks for listening to the WP Week podcast, sponsored by Profile Press and WP Job Openings. We'll catch you next week with more stories from the world of WordPress.